Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, keeping your crypto in a hardware wallet like Tangem adds an extra layer of security against hacks and online threats. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, go ahead and verify your identity if needed. It's crucial for smooth withdrawals. Once you're in, head over to the Withdraw section, usually found in the account dashboard or wallet area. Look for the search bar and type in BNB to select it as your asset. Remember, BNB is typically on the BNB Smart Chain, so double-check that the network matches. Next, you'll need to enter your Tangem wallet address. This is super important. Copy it directly from your Tangem app to avoid any typos that could send your funds into the void. Paste it into the address field, and then specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Kraken will show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on those to ensure you're not surprised later. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. Check the address, the amount, and the network one last time. Once you're confident, go ahead and submit the withdrawal request. Kraken might require two-factor authentication here for added security, always a good thing. Now, the waiting game begins. Withdrawals usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to your Tangem wallet app and refresh to see your BNB arrive. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support is pretty helpful, or check their status page for updates. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transaction if you're new to this, to make sure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. It's that simple. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.